In the ministry of altar servers, Christ stands right at the center. We gather around Him to be close to Him and to follow Him. He is our leader, our elder brother. We are His followers, His younger brothers. Around Christ, we form a brotherhood. To live as brothers is sometimes difficult. Sometimes we quarrel, sometimes we get envious. That is why Christ is with us as our leader. He leads the way. We do our best to follow Him. Above all, He teaches us to love as He did, and to love Him and each other as brothers and as children of God. When we are together, we get to know, respect, and be friends with one another. We enjoy each other's company. We rejoice in being able to share our lives with one another. Our togetherness builds us up in joyful friendship.